What's up, you guys?
Hi, FITZ'S. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
I don't know if this is a new video or just, riding along for yesterday's video, but hi.
Yeah. We got up a little while ago.
So, yes, it's currently 12:20. Last night was crazy. We didn't get home till damn near 5 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, last night was
very active. Quite a blur for the most part because we weren't driving. So, well, I ended up driving. Funny enough, I ended up being a driver. But
Princess, we're in someone's car right now.
Yeah, we're in my friend Special's car, and yeah, last night was fun. I had a great time. We ended up in a section after the baby shower. Got a bottle, and then after that we went to an after hours spot, which ironically enough the after hours spot was where the baby shower was held, so we ended up right back where the baby shower was at. But it was a cute little vibe. We had a good time. Now we're trying to figure out what today is going to consist of. It's our last full day in Charlotte, so get some time in with Tasha before we go. And yeah, should be chill vibes, nothing too crazy. Just kind of going with the flow of things, seeing where everybody is and stuff like that. But yeah, that is what is happening right now, y'all. We missed breakfast again.
Yeah, we didn't make it to breakfast. My alarm went off, but I think my volume was low, so I didn't hear it. But when I woke up around like 11 or whenever to use the bathroom, my phone was on the alarm screen, so it went off. It was just really low. I guess we could try to make it tomorrow. Tomorrow we're here for basically most of the day. We're here until about like 2-3 o'clock, and then we have to head to the airport.
Yeah.
So yeah, we could try to make it to breakfast tomorrow.
We got Zaxby's though.
Yeah, we went to Zaxby's for breakfast. You guys saw I got B-roll at Zaxby's. We just got some chicken sandwiches. That's usually what we get whenever we go to Zaxby's. And yeah, it's wake and bake right now. And then, we are gonna go upstairs and figure out what we're doing for today. The other day we spoke about this $5 bowling thing. So I don't know if that's something that we might still do. We spoke about a couple of different things. So we'll see. And I'm also trying to re-up because the pack went missing last night. It was like half a pack. It wasn't really like a full pack, but at some point in getting from the after hour spot to the car and back here to the hotel, it went missing. I don't know if it fell out of maybe my jacket pocket, or it's definitely not in the car. So yeah, that's a little annoying. And I think
Hello.
Hey.
Hey.
Hold on, y'all.
Good morning. Hello. Good day. What's up, guys?
Hi, guys.
We are currently in Walmart.
Slow down.
We had to come and grab some things to keep the party going because there is someone cooking.
1, 2, 3, 4.
We had to come and get
a cook going on.
We have a little private chef happening, and she needed some.
She's running low on supplies.
Yes, exactly that. Exactly that. So right now we're getting ready to check out of Walmart and then head back to the party. I don't know if we got any B-roll or anything inside of the party. Oh, yeah, we did, right?
Yes.
Okay, cool. So yeah, we're going to go back and we'll see you guys when we get back.
Next day, the next day. I was the stand up and show. Give you the world and it was mine.
Hi guys. What's up, Finos?
What's up, y'all? It's the next day, obviously.
We're back in our airport fits for a reason.
Our last few hours here in Charlotte. We're at my best friend's house. We're the only ones here right now.
She lives near a highway, so it's a little loud outside.
Yeah. But we're washing clothes and just killing time until it's time for us to head to the airport.
We just had some Chick-fil-A for lunch. It was really good. We had some spicy chicken sandwiches. And we don't really eat Chick-fil-A like that. They have a lot of them in New York. We just don't really eat Chick-fil-A like that. But it was cool.
Yeah, we got it from Uber. Well, we ordered it through Uber Eats. And it came with no Chick-fil-A sauce. So we had to put ketchup on our fries. It's not really something I would do for Chick-fil-A, but it worked.
Yeah, I would prefer to have the little dipping sauce. But ketchup was cool.
But yeah, Charlotte overall, this was a better experience from the last time we were here. Although we had a good time celebrating and coming for the gender reveal and Tasha's birthday last time.
Yeah, we definitely still had a good time, but this was way more
We didn't lose anything. Everything was very smooth. We had a great turnout time. You know, it's a balance of, you know, just chilling and relaxing. Like yesterday, it was a good, like, relaxing vibe, you know?
Yeah, we took it easy yesterday. Like, we just kind of went to Tasha's sister's house and just had dinner, basically.
Yeah, she had a private chef come and cook, like, mad different courses. We had, like, French toast. We had mac and cheese. There was an option with bacon or without. We had little pieces of steak that she was going around passing out, crab cakes, and then she made a salmon pasta, well, salmon and steak pasta. It was pretty good.
Yeah, everything was really good. The experience was a vibe. I would have enjoyed, like, I can't really find any issues in anything yesterday. Like, everything was a great, really relaxing.
All positive energy.
You know, like, it was a vibe.
Yes. We got to meet some new people. We gained some new subscribers. So shout out to y'all. Hi to everybody who watching. We enjoyed y'all's company.
Y'all were definitely a vibe.
For sure. But y'all know it's time to go back to the regular scheduled programming. We have some things to handle when we get back home.
We're still dealing
with our car.
Right, we're still dealing with this car situation, and it's not as bad as it sounds.
Right,
it's really not. We're just waiting for something to get here, and then it's real stupid. Ow, didn't that hurt? But for the most part, everything is fine. We're just
mechanically the car is getting worked on. Everything's fine. We were panicking for no reason, basically. And we got it all situated. So that's the good side of things. That's the good news that we want to tell you. We thought we would have the car sooner than expected.
right.
So we were just hoping to, like, you know, be in the car already, but
Yeah, and I was definitely tempted to buy a car. Like, we almost got a new car. That was almost the good news. We almost bought a new car. But we're gonna ride it out with the car that we have because it's not a problem.
oh yeah. Big Black will be back soon. Other than that, y'all, we just chilling and vibing. We had to make sure we came and said, you know, something to y'all because we haven't spoken to y'all since last night. And we didn't really give details as to what was happening, so I had to catch y'all up.
We miss Smoke. We'll be seeing him later today.
I miss him so much. I know he needs a bath, though. Him and Asher, they get to playing and just
Smoke be so stinky when we pick him up, like, from playing with his, like, cousins and stuff. Like, when we go on vacations and we drop him off. So.
And we left
He'd be
him.
so... this dog. He'd just be a dog.
We left him in one of his new shirts that we got from Five Below, the SpongeBob one. So I don't know, hopefully, we haven't FaceTimed him this whole weekend, so hopefully he's still intact. We don't know, because Asher be done bit the shirt off. He be done bit the shirt off. I don't know. So hopefully he still has it on.
We'll see. But anyway, yeah, we're about to just chill. We're waiting for a car. We're about to run, take care of our errand real fast, and then head to the airport. So we'll see you guys when we get there.
Feels fine.
Love is my purpose, I give us energy, looking for somewhere, driving, still driving, just trying to get my head right. Still alone, we've been away. When I just gotta get my head right.